Have you ever asked an AI to build something? And the result looked nothing like what you expected? The problem usually isn't the AI, it's the prompt. Most developers think prompts are just instructions. They're not. A professional prompt is a project brief. The difference is huge. Let's look at an example. Imagine you type this into Codex. Build a task management app. Will it work? Probably. Will it build the app you actually wanted? Probably not. Because your request is missing almost everything that matters. Who are the users? Is it a web app? A mobile app? Which programming language should I use? Should it use React, Vue, Laravel, Next.js? Should authentication be included? Should data be stored locally or in a database? None of that was explained. And when information is missing, AI has to guess. Sometimes it guesses correctly. Most of the time, it doesn't. That's why experienced developers don't write short prompts. They write detailed project briefs. Every great prompt answers 5 simple questions. First, what are we building? Describe the project in 1 or 2 sentences. Second, what's the goal? Why does this project exist? What problem does it solve? Third, what are the constraints? Which technology should be used? Which ones should be avoided? Should the code follow a specific architecture? Should existing files remain untouched? Fourth, what does success look like? How will we know the task is complete? Should tests pass? Should performance improve? Should the interface match an existing design? And finally, what context does Codex need? This is the part most people skip. Give it your README, your project documentation, your architecture notes, your coding conventions. The more Codex understands your project, the better it performs. Here's something that surprises many developers. Long prompts are usually better than short ones. Not because they're longer, but because they're clearer. Think about hiring a senior engineer. Would you give them a one-line instruction? Or would you explain the business, the users, the requirements, and the expected outcome? That's exactly how you should work with Codex. Here's another mistake to avoid. Don't ask AI to solve 5 different problems in a single prompt. Instead, divide large tasks into smaller ones. First, analyse the existing code. Then propose a solution. Review the plan, and only then start writing code. This simple workflow dramatically improves quality. It also makes reviewing changes much easier. Remember, Codex isn't just generating code, it's making decisions. The better the information you provide, the better those decisions become. Your job isn't to write clever prompts. Your job is to eliminate ambiguity. That's the real skill. By the end of this course, you'll stop thinking about prompts and start thinking about communication. Because that's what software engineering has always been, communicating requirements clearly. Whether you're talking to another developer or to an AI, in the next video, we'll take this one step further. You'll learn how to organise an entire project so Codex understands your code base before writing a single line of code. That's where AI starts feeling less like a tool and more like an experienced teammate.